Episode 5. The Split Verdict. A storm rolled in over the city. Courtroom 6B buzzed with confusion as Judge Wren emerged from chambers with a solemn face. "I have reviewed the defense's emergency motion," she said. "Based on presented evidence of psychological programming and the testimony of Dr. Lonsdale, I am compelled to consider a partial bifurcation of this case." Gasps whispered through the gallery. This court will allow the jury to deliver a split verdict. One ruling on the act of murder, another on the agency of the accused. In T jury room. Audio-only recording, Juror 6. He confessed. That should be the end of it. Juror 2. He didn't confess. He said he executed a protocol. Not the same thing. Juror 9. What if he's both the murderer and the weapon? Silence. Juror 11. Then we decide if the hand pulled the trigger, or if the mind that told it to was ever his to begin with. Int. Natalie Reeves' apartment. 2:13. Natalie sat on the floor, medical reports and internal memos strewn around her. She found a final overlooked sheet at the bottom of Klein's records. It wasn't a diagnosis, it was a command list, handwritten. Triggers, metronome, orange blossom, repetition loop. Failsafe, verbal override, you are not guilty. Disruptive words, autonomy, verdict, proxy, reset. Unbind, if hallucination breaks before week 3. Natalie's fingers froze on the word unbind. Her eyes darted to the calendar. Today was day 21. Int. Holding cell. Dawn. Adam Vale sat upright, unmoving. Natalie stood outside the glass. "Adam, I need you to listen carefully." No response. She reached into her coat pocket and pulled out a small glass vial. She held it up to the light. Orange blossom oil. Adam blinked. Once. Twice. Tears welled in his eyes. Then his lips parted. He said I was his prototype, but I never wanted to be real. Int. Courtroom 6B returned to trial. The jury returned after 3 days of deliberation. The foreperson handed 2 sealed envelopes to Judge Wren. She opened the first. On the charge of murder in the first degree, we find the defendant guilty. A murmur spread through the room. Then she opened the second envelope. On the charge of acting with full legal agency, we find the defendant not responsible. Int. Judge's chambers. Private discussion. Judge Wren called both attorneys in. "This is precedent-shattering," she said. "He's guilty, but not culpable. That means sentencing can't proceed without a psychological panel, and the state will challenge it. We're heading for federal escalation." Felix looked grim. "We just opened the door to programmable criminality." Natalie replied quietly, "No. We proved that accountability still needs a soul." To be continued. Next episode. Echo compliance.